Welcome HealthWorks family. Today what we're going to be talking about are the phases of degeneration that we see in the neck. Right here on this poster at the very top, this is what a normal neck should look like. So the nose is facing this way and we should have a nice curve to the neck going forward. Okay? The bones should be nice and square, nice big spaces in between those bones where the discs go. Now over time, through trauma, life, all those micro traumas from us sitting at the desk, children, all the things, right? Our neck starts to respond by going straight. This is called phase one, okay? If this isn't corrected in phase one, then we go into phase two. Phase two is where we start to see rough edges around those bones and thinning in the spaces between those bones. Now, if we don't get this corrected here and restore the curve and slow that degeneration down, it moves into phase three. Now in phase three, that's where we see a lot more thinning of the space between the bones. We see more rough edges. Typically, we're going to see more problems and more pain, okay? Now there is one more phase. I know I said there was only three, but there is one more and it's phase four. The reason we don't talk about this one a lot is because that's where everything fuses together. Now everything is stuck. It's very difficult in this stage to get good results. We can still see you, we can still get some results, but it will be much harder and longer in that time frame. So we want to see you before it gets to that point where we can actually make a bigger difference, okay? Now, if you have not been a patient here and you don't know what phase of degeneration you have in your neck and you're curious, give us a call, set up an appointment. You can do that online. We would love to see you and give you this information.